Alright, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, this is a sponsored video by Bio Vitalis. So thank you very much for making this video happen, for sponsoring this tournament that we will be joining. It's a two-man scramble here in Ayala Alabang Country Club. So very fun tournament. It's going to be the fourth Net 25 tournament. So yeah, the format is two-man scramble. So my partner is, and I'll introduce later, si Doc Ryan, fellow BNI member and good friend. So the format, I mentioned already, so we're starting the tournament. It's a shotgun tournament here sa hole number 4. Yan, hole number 4. So we're playing the blue tees, 419 yards. Ang hirap ng first hole namin. Handicap 1 kagad. Yan. Net 25. Par 5, par 4. Oh, pakanan. Tapos paakyat pa ulit. Yan. Ang sexy na sexy. Ang aming sponsor, Doc Ryan. Thank you very much again, Doc. Anything you want to promote?
Bio Vitalis Vicencio Holistico.
Yeah, perfect.
For your stem cell needs.
Yeah, tapos I'll just add the link down below. So thank you very much again, Doc. And kasama rin namin, puro doktor. Si Doc Russell. Welcome back to the channel, Doc Russell.
Thank you, sir.
And si AJ.
Doktoran lang.
Yan, kami din, doktor-doktoran.
Doktoran lang.
Welcome ba? Brother, don't leave me hang. Yeah.
Sorry.
No worries, brother. Okay, yan. So starting us off, Doc Ryan. Anywhere in the fairway, brother. Perfect. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Maganda yan, Doc. Thank you.
And it's a beauty! Grabe naman yun. Sumobra yata.
Ang aming mga caddy. Akin, Doc Ryan. Ate, kaninong caddy ka?
Si Doc Ryan po.
Kay Doc Ryan. Teammates kami ni ate. Anong name mo, ate?
Maylin po, sir.
Ate Maylene. Then, ang aking caddy, si Shane. Good luck. Galingan mo ha. Kahit anong mangyari, nice shot ha. Kahit papunta sa Jabong, sa OB. Ikaw? Kanino kang caddy?
Sir Alvin J.
Okay, kay AJ. Ano name mo?
Jen.
Jen dapat. Ganun dapat. Jen. Okay. Yun, perfect. Okay na yan. Huwag ka na pumalo, Doc Russell. Nice shot. Okay, maganda yung tee shot namin parehas ni Doc Ryan. So we're left with 181 yards uphill, slightly against the wind. So hitting better a little long than short. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Okay, good shot, Doc.
Mas mahirap pagka-over ng green na.
Kasi bunker.
Downhill yun.
Basta always ka aggressive kasi meron tayong isa na
Safe ka naman.
madaling chip eh. So always be aggressive. Yan ang silbi ko.
Ay, nice. Bunker yata. Thank you. Wala ka na pipindalan. Okay, we have choices pero mukhang Doc Ryan. Left si Doc Ryan, mine went sa bunker. Okay, taking Dr. Ryan's second shot. Go! Yan, okay. Nice one, Doc. Okay, patong. Okay na yan. Patting for par. Nice shot, Doc. Okay, left to right.
Nice shot.
I taking my chip. This is for par. We're giving it left to right. No doubt. Good putt, Doc. Alright, hole number 5. 333 yards. So the play is, the green is here. So the play in this for this hole from the blue tees is an aim between those trees. Mga 200 yards na palo. Tapos second shot na lang. Go, 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 go. Yun. Okay lang, okay lang. Basta safe.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Okay, second shot. Taking my tee shot. We're left with 147 yards. Ball is slightly above our feet. So this will turn left. Hirap ng pin placement. There's bunker in front. So, better long. Tawid mo lang. Okay lang, safe yan, Doc. Okay. Right before. Okay, right before the bunker. Good shot, Doc. Ako heavy. Go! Dead ng konti.
Nice shot.
Okay, medyo heavy. Caught that heavy. Right before the bunker sa left. Ganda! Buti lumusot! Nice shot, Doc. Okay. Taking my second shot. 18 yards right to left. Bite, bite. Ay, short pala. Nice one, partner! Sorry, akala ko na. Okay. That's good then. In for par. Kaya ka na. Nice one. Ano, coach to? Pwedeng coach na. Nice one, Doc.
I'm going to invite go dapat.
Ay, mahina din. Okay din. Okay, par.
Nice par.
Nice shot, guys.
Nice
Oh, yes,
shot.
pa. Oh, ano, paano dapat?
Nice shot.
Mukhang mag-i-enjoy lang kami dito nila, Shane. Oh, ate Ma, ikaw din.
Nice shot, sir.
Hindi. Nice shot. Ganun lang.
Nice shot.
Okay.
Don't
For
get.
par. Okay, malakas. Okay, Doc Russell. For par sila, no? This might be for par. Pasok. Pasok. Uy! That's alright, hole number 6. 156 yards against the wind. Oh, siguro. Okay, good start for Team Bayo Vitalis. Ang tago dito, par, even par. So, we're given 10 handicap. So, we're at 10 under as of now. Go!
Go!
Ay, bunker. Sayang. Okay. It's a fun hole din pala. Nearest to the pin. Tapos, feet massage for 50,000 pesos. Ganda! Closest to the pin mo na. Hulin mo na.
Go! Ang ganda.
What a shot! Mukhang closest to the pin. Nice one, Doc. Shane, nearest to the pin nga. Dikit, dikit. Oo, dikit. Parang
Nice
ganun.
shot.
Tayo dyan. So guys, kayo na lang pumalo. Okay na ako.
Nice shot. Go, go, kick.
Go. Okay, safe. Nearest to... Okay, candidate. Ate, pasok sa nearest to the pin.
Yes, sir.
Ilang feet?
7.
7 feet. Doc Russell, congratulations in advance. Claiming it for you, brother. Congrats.
I'm very.
Yan, very. Ay, Doc Ryan ni Doc Russell. 7 feet. Okay, medyo difficult taking my tee shot. Very difficult lie downhill. Super fast greens. 16 yards left to right. Ang bagsak lang dun sa may fringe. Malakas. Bite. Okay lang, make a ball par. Okay lang, make a ball yan. Good try, Doc.
Nice shot.
Dapat pala ni-regular na tira ko.
Actually, kaya nung naglakad kasi ako, pag mas malapit
Okay, we're taking Doc Ryan's second shot downhill, right to left, to stay net 10 under. Malakas lang. Malakas lang. Uy, bumali.
Depende nga sa stage.
Okay, Doc Russell, natural birdie. Pasok! Uy!
Nauumpis ako sa ganun. Yung
Kuha! Ay! Nag-lip out! Meow, meow! Yan, 531 yards. So the play is yan, dog leg right. Pwede mo shortcutin dito. Gigil ah. Galit na galit. Okay lang.
ganda ng moon.
Oo.
Ganda.
Okay lang. Okay lang. 3-shot hole.
Ayan. Handicap 18 tayo eh.
Draw mo pa. Draw mo pa. Labas mo lang. Labas mo lang. Okay yan. Okay lang.
Four!
Nice shot.
Okay lang. Shortcut. Nice shot.
Okay yun. May
Shortcut. Shortcut.
Par 5 naman yung duck eh. So worst case pwede natin i-punch out lang. Okay. Kabilang butas. Okay. Taking my tee shot. Yung puno sa kanan. Yung dulo ng tubig.
Okay.
Okay. Good out. Okay lang. Perfect yan. Perfect. Nice shot. Okay lang. Okay lang. 210 yards. Since safe si Doc, I'll go for it.
Okay, safe. Ay.
Sumabit, pero hindi rin naabot yun. Okay. Shoot kami sa tubig. Okay lang, at least safe si Doc Ryan. Buti lang. Safe si Doc Ryan. 120 yards. Downwind. Okay lang. Safe lang. Okay. Course management. Safe. Okay. Left to 120 yards. Buti safe si Doc Ryan. Natakot naman. Nabola.
Nice shot. Go down.
Nabola.
Nagbite.
Okay. Birdie chance. We are putting for birdie. Pero super difficult birdie putt. Super downhill dito. No way. I don't think kayang stop to. 14 paces. Mabilis pa yan, no? Ay, okay lang.
Kulang pa sa kaliwa.
Oh, ganun sa kulang.
Lalabas talaga nito.
Ah. Kulang sa kaliwa, pero enough na tuko na yun. Okay, for par. At least uphill. Nice putt. Good par. Alright, that was a good par. Buti lang namin egging kami ni Doc. So, hole number 8, par 3. This is playing 163 yards to the flag against the wind. Draw! Draw! Okay lang, okay lang. Parang kayang 8. Parang hindi naman hinahangin. Good try daw.
Nice shot. Pang hole in one.
Okay, 3 putt. Okay, putting for birdie. Thank you, brother. Ganda rin. Cut! Cut! Okay lang, patong yun. Gitna, middle of the green. Thank you, Alabang. Okay lang. Left of the green. Good try, brother. Okay, Doc Russell and AJ for birdie. Reach. Ang bilis pala talaga, oh. Nice spot. That's good, that's good.
Thank you.
I-shoot mo na lang, huwag na akong mag-putt.
Wala din.
Okay na yan, at least may chance. Okay, for birdie, taking my tee shot. Left to right side hill. Mali. Ay, kinapos lang. Okay lang.
Break. Uy, sabi ko. Okay. Fight. Good par.
Talaga sabi ko, lalakasan ko ng konti para hindi siya. Sayang, hindi pa namin na birdie. Pero ang ganda ng roll ng greens. Okay, so currently 1 over pa rin. Hole number 9, 382 yards. Dog leg right. Naku. Safe na. Okay lang, safe, safe, safe. Huwag ka sa bunker. Okay, right before the bunker.
Nice shot.
Ayos yan. Bang.
Bounce pa, akit pa.
Okay yan.
Okay.
Okay lang. Kick. Go over. Go over. Ayun, over the bunker. Nakikinig. Saan nabibili yung bolang nakikinig? Naku. Okay lang, safe naman si ano. Actually, Doc, doon ka naka-aim. Okay, taking my tee shot. We're left with 95 yards to the flag. Slightly uphill and with the wind. Sakto pala, kaya naman pala doon naka-aim. Pasok! Ah! Nice shot! Kick right. Wala na, maganda rin yung Doc. Ganda nung kay Doc. Nice shot by Doc Ryan. Ayun, 5 paces na lang kami for birdie. Doc Russell and AJ. And this is to go up and down for par. Go. Go. Ayun na. Okay, AJ. Go. Go. Ano? Ako babawasan mo nun. Change. Doktor din to, si Doktor. Uy! Sayang. Ganda nung ba? Ganda na sipa ni ate. Cool. Mabagal ng konti. That's good, that's good, that's good. So uphill. Medyo firm. We're giving it right edge for the first birdie of the round. Hindi bumali naman ngayon. Hindi na sayang. We can't make a putt. Pero at least may mga birdie chances. Hopefully makalaglag next few holes. So headed to hole number 10. We're still currently 9 under, net 1 over gross. Alright, hole number 10. 432 yards. Slightly dogleg right. So the play is, yan yung bunker sa left side, right of that, para middle of the fairway. Tapos it turns right pababa downhill. Ganda!
Nice.
Gitnang gitna. Nice shot! Okay, perfect. What a guy, this guy.
Yon.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Ay, dumiretso.
Okay lang yan? Over the bunker yan?
Ha!
Ayun, bunk. Sa linya ng bunker yata. Uy, nag-turn. Alright! Okay, unfortunately pumasok kami sa bunker. Pumasok ako sa bunker. Si Doc kasi 200 yards, mahigit pa. So choosing mine, 145 yards, 145 against the wind. Kaya naman yata ito na 9 irons. din?
Bunker ulit.
Lakas yung hangin sa taas, Dok. Nag-club up na ako dun. Dun din.
Hindi, pero hindi ako abot.
Downhill eh. Well, see. Okay lang, okay lang. Magkadikit lang pala kami ni Doc Ryan and both. Buti lang short kami sa bunker. We're left with 36 yards. Okay, it's double break. Diretso na. Kick right.
Kulang na kulang.
Okay lang, gugulong yan. Okay lang, make a ball.
Nice shot.
Sa kaliwa. Thank you.
May tono pati.
Oo, ganun talaga. Ay, Doc Ross and AJ. Ay, sorry. Putting for par. That is Doc and the AJ's third shot. Mahina lang.
Man! Sok!
Pasok nga! Ay, sayang. Good try. Okay, we are putting for par. Right to left, taking my pitch. Ay, na-push. Parang malaki.
Nice spot.
Buti na lang.
Nice.
Pagsisisihan ko yun eh. Gumalaw yung bola eh. Nice read, Ate Mai.
Par.
Yeah. Okay, that was a good par. 325 yards. So, you can't go for it against the wind. There's water in front. So, play before the water lang. Okay, to the water is 210 yards. So, hitting lang a 6 iron. Go! Oops. Okay lang, Doc.
Nice shot.
Kaso nabusan ako ng sticker. Beauty, hindi kailangan gamitin. Good. Sa lalim ng hininga ni AJ nun. Okay, taking my tee shot. I left to the 115 yards to the flag. Safe mo lang. Angat. Nope. Tama na.
Saka, pag
Okay
ano
lang.
na,
Nice shot. Green na yun, sir.
Pero hindi. Dapat pala 50. Tsaka sobrang kanan. Okay, we have a birdie putt. Pero sobrang layo and sobrang side hill. So it's 24 paces right to left. Kailangan lang umabot. Okay. Okay, hindi sobrang bagal.
go.
Sobrang hina naman. Okay, this is for par. To stay 1 over. Malakas lang.
Hati.
Ang laki. Ay. B2B. Alright, hole number 12. Bad trip na bogey naman yun. Okay, playing 148 yards. Okay, fun hole. Uy, golf cart. 322,000 worth. 320,000. Okay lang.
Right?
Huwag ka mag-bunker. Up! Bunker.
Go, golf cart, two-seater.
Uy.
Wala.
Ay. Nice shot.
Nice shot. Ah! Mukhang mapupunta na kay Shane yung gulong ng golf cart eh. Sayang. Short. Sayang hindi lang nag-cut. Stop. Ay, bunker. First, hindi naman first. A decent, easy chance for birdie. Oh, pwedeng kaliwa konti. Okay, for birdie, left to right, taking my tee shot. 4 paces. Matapang din ang green dito sa Alabang. Wow! Pasok. All speed yun, all speed. Don't make me pat. Sandy par. Dito. Tiga. Dito. Tiga. Okay, natural sandy par. Nice putt, Doc. Nice putt.
Thank you.
Okay, finally, birdie. 497 yards. So, dog leg right. Play is left of the bunker or kung kaya carry the bunker sa middle. Ganun din! Ano ba yun? Masyado kong pinanggigilan din. Batok-toks. One!
Nice!
Good shot, AJ.
Yes, sir. Uy!
Ay, subabit. Okay lang.
Okay.
Ganda. Kanan lang. Backti pa.
Super player.
O, 2. Balikan. Draw. Sige pa. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Stop.
Ay, pasok!
Bunker. Sayang, we are in the bunker. 250. Go mo lang. 200 plus pa. Okay.
Nice shot.
Nasa iyo ang beat. Thank you, Shane.
May happy dance.
Oo, may happy dance. Nakalabas sa bunker dance. Okay. Taking my second shot. 140 yards. Ay, dumiretso. Ay, di, stance din kasi pakanan yung bola eh. Okay lang. Okay, 140 yards. Ano be?
Wow.
Nice shot.
Palo mo, ang ganda ng tunog eh.
Malutong.
Pakuha ng bola ko.
Okay, for birdie.
Abutin doon sa tuktok.
13 paces. Basta para ball, okay na.
Maganda yan.
Maganda yung speed.
Maganda yan.
Maganda, birdie mo.
Kulang lang sa labas.
Kulang pa.
Pero tama yung line.
Oo, tama yung bigay mo.
Pasok mo na.
Ano na rin yung celebration ko eh.
Almost birdie.
Pero ganun ako.
Nag-lift out. Sayang, okay na. Easy par. Alright, hole number 14. Sayang yung birdie putt. 358 yards. So the play is to go over this bunker sa left side. Shortcut. Pasok. Ganda. Huwag ka na pumasok sa bunker. Stop. Please. Ay, bunker na naman.
Bunker. Par! Nice shot. Safe, sir. Maganda.
Kailangan ng puyok, sir.
Kasi Kasi sinushortcut ko dito sa bunker sa kaliwa. Nandun ako sa 3 line sa kanan. Ganda tuloy. Beauty. Sige. Punta. Galit na galit din si Doc. Lusot. Sa kaliwa. 3 lines sa kaliwa. Ay, sumabit. Okay, taking my tee shot. We're left with 130 yards. Wind is a little cross against. Go! Over the bunker, please. Over the bunker. Bunker. Okay lang, Doc. Sige, play short. Getting a bit 50.
Nice shot!
Ang lahi ng mga pot. Ay, nako. Okay, patong naman pero ang kanan. Okay, we have this birdie putt taking my second shot. Right to left. Uphill side. Uphill side hill. Sa speed plus 1 na firm lang. O pwedeng plus 2. Makita naman natin. Malakas. Malakas. Oo, sakto yung sa may dilaw na dahon. Ang hina naman. Okay, come on for our par. This is Doc Ryan's putt. Babalik. Pwede nga left edge.
Ano nangyari?
Nag-lip out. Pero tama yung linya mo. Sa right. Kalahating bola sa kaliwa.
Nice par!
Alright, hole 15. Buti lang na par namin. 184 yards. This might be a fun hole. Yes, it is. Stroke play. Stroke play. 3 strokes! Shout out, 3 strokes. Ganda, Doc! Come on, baby. Stop! Stop! Over lang.
Nice shot!
Okay, on the green. Parang yapat yata hindi na ako mag-aim right Safe mo lang. Safe yata, safe. Papatong yan. Over yan.
Bola.
Pero over top. Okay lang. Okay. For birdie. Right to left. 8 paces. Go! Ganda ng linya. Doc Russell for par. Kuha!
Inside.
Kuha! Uy! Grabe no, iba yung brake niya sa speed talaga no. Kasi pare-pares tayo ng linya, iba-iba yung brake. Yun ang kuha, magaling mag-putt. Ay! Bumigay! Ay, sayang ang mga birdie chances. Maganda yung greens ng ano, ng Ayala, ng country club. Mahirap lang talaga. So, parang we were all in regulation for most of the holes. Hindi lang talaga namin ma-shoot. Pero malalayo rin kasi. Pero, subok. Not giving up. So, currently 1 over gross. Net, 9 under. So, headed to hole number 16. Kulit ng bangs ko. Yeah. Hole number 16. 437 yards. So, this is a very long par 4. So, the aim is to shortcut mo yung bunker na yan. Pa left. Ganda! Beauty! Ganda yan, Doc! Perfect! Ganda ng draw!
Very nice, sir. Good shot.
Yun! Draw mo, ganda rin! Beautiful shot, brother! Carry the bunker. Kick left. Ay, pumasok.
Thank you.
Galit na galit. Alright, so taking my tee shot. We're left with 164 yards. Can't go right uphill. Patong mo. Big bounce! Big bounce! Ay, bunker. Okay lang. Ako, sampal. Towie. Kardashian. Stop! Up! Okay, taking my second shot. Towie. 20 yards to the flag. Sa may bang. Kaya mo? Matigas. 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 Ganun din, bite.
Sabi mo, out lang ako dito.
Okay lang. Okay. Both teams I think are putting for par. Mahina. 13 paces. Reach! Ang bagal pala nun.
Sa speed.
Bagal.
Kumali ng basang bag. Pasok. Pasok. Pasok.
Okay, sayang. Haba kasi. Mali yung bunker shot. Matigas pala. Okay, back to gross. 2 over. So we just need to tawag mo dito. Target namin kasi is to even par. Para to finish 10 under, which is our handicap. So subok lang. Okay, headed to hole number 17. So last 17, 5 holes. 17, 18, 1, 2, 3. Last 5 holes. Okay. Hole number 17. There is water in front of the green. I don't remember if this is a driver hole or not. Pero the play is yan dito. Middle, left, a little left of the fairway. Ganda ulit! What a beautiful guy! Ang pogi mo, sir!
Good shot, sir. Very nice. Kick left. Ganda. Okay.
Ganda. Ganda rin ng draw. What a guy, this guy. Ganda. Nice shot. Layo din. Ang lalayo lahat ah. Layo. Ay, ganda ng tira ni Doc Russell. Putting for birdie na sila. Kami, taking my tee shot. We're left with 81 yards to the flag. Left to right. Tingnan mo 75.
Ganda.
Ganda. Perfect yung
Yan, no?
perfect yung draw. Bite. Ay, malakas lang.
I tried.
Ganda. Hindi, pero happy nga ako dun eh. Ganda, Doc. Good try.
Ganda. Kick right.
Yeah,
Yun, okay lang po yun. No? Nag-bite.
Nice shot.
Hindi pa tumatama yung bola. Si ate, nice shot na eh. Na-train na. Okay, at least birdie chance. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Taking my second shot. Left to right, 7 paces. Bali. Hindi bumali.
Ganun din. Ganun din.
Nagkabit ko ba? Parang hindi. Sayang, so many missed opportunities for birdie. Hindi namin mabasa na maayos yung green. Okay, 2 over pa rin. Pero net 8 under. Okay, so hole 18. Par 5, 510 yards. So the play is yan, where the players are. Okay, it's a fun hole. Longest drive for male and female. Pero against the wind. Draw. 4, 4 right. Ay, papunta kay Shane.
Balik!
Kaya nga.
Ay, ngayon pa nangyari. Thank you. Ay, sama, open na open. Doon pumunta. Nag-draw lang. 3 under. Ganda. Tawid. Gitna, Doc. Nice shot. Ayun oh. Parang pwede sa longest drive yun ah. Nice shot, Doc. Baka ni-rest to the pin ka. Ni-rest to the pin at saka longest drive ah. Nice shot. Okay, sama ng palo ko. Taking Doc Ryan's tee shot. May gap naman dito. Lusot mo. Huwag kang... Ayun, okay, lusot. Nice shot. Ay, tumama. Tumama, sabi ko hindi na-in-play yun. What a shot by Doc Ryan. Buti na maganda yung punch out. 118 yards for our third shot. To go up and down potentially for birdie. Go. Okay lang.
Ito rin naman yung ano eh. Tingnan mo yung live.
Oo, uphill. Shane.
Pati nyo na naman oh. Yun.
Win. Keep right. Ay, short lang. Sayang, short. So, 16 yards left to right. Go up and down for par.
Uy, ang ganda mo, sir. Ganda.
Go! Ay, may lumabas. We're in for par. Okay, we're in for par. Pasok!
Ganda ng par.
Oh. Malayo.
Mahirap ka.
Kailangan ko lang maayos yung drive ko eh. Pasok!
Kinaliwakin ha.
Okay, hole number 1. 330 yards. So, pin is in this area. Draw! Okay yan, perfect. Hindi, kikik yan. Pumasok nga.
Over mo. Baka safe naman, sir, yan.
Pumunta sa kanan, sana makita. Kick right lang. Ano kung bunker? Pumasok. Wala. Tawid na tawid. Wala, okay yung tubig. Yan, lagpas yung bunker. Yun o. Ay, naku. My shot was open and nag-slice pa. So Doc Ryan, we are taking Doc Ryan's tee shot. We're around a little over 100 yards.
Wow!
We left with 130 yards against the wind. Patong lapit na. Dikit pa nga yata yan.
Nice shot!
Ilan tayo pero iba.
Okay. Sandy Bird. Okay. Doc Russell and AJ.
Mas mahaba yung pwede.
For birdie. Oo nga. Atin, baluktot lang yung atin. Pasok. Uy, pangatlo na yun. Birdie. Parang na-push.
Mali lang ako.
Na-push. Okay for birdie. Sandy bird, left hand side. Kuha! Yes! Sandy birdie, baby! Yun, buti na lang after ka tumingin. Okay. Yung pa yung na birdie namin. Sandy bird. Nice one, brother. Nice one, top. Nice one, partner. Okay. Alright, hole number 2. Finally, naka-birdie ulit. So that is our second birdie. We're currently 1 over na lang. Tapos, net 9 under. 355 yards. The pin or the green is in this area. So the play is yan where the players are lang. Kung shortcutin mo yan over this bunker. Thank you. Go mo lang. Carry mo lang the bunker.
Ganda. Left.
Okay. Yun! Ay! Diretso. Ano?
Parang bunker, no?
Robby Mulligan.
Cut!
Dok. At least gumaling. Maganda yan. Okay na yan, yan na lang.
Gulong yan.
Kick right.
Tsaka lang.
Umabot pa rin! Okay, we're taking the clients. Tee shot, 140 yards to the flag. Sana hindi umabot. Sana hindi tumama sa puno. I don't think naman it's in play. Draw mo.
Bunker yan.
Kick right.
Ayan.
Okay lang.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda!
Ay, sobra! Yun yung wino-worry ko. Kasi medyo binabaan ko yung flight eh.
Tingnan nyo sir kung ano maganda kung bunker o yung over.
Sayang! Yun yung wino-worry ko. Medyo pinababaan ko ng konti yung flight. So, medyo matulis, hindi nag-bite. Okay. So, a little over the green. Okay, sayang. Went over. Left to right to? 21 yards. Ganda yan.
Kulang.
Okay, for par. Right to left. Slow green.
Lakas masyado.
Repeating.
Napakasama.
Okay, come on. To avoid another bogey. Right to left, 10 paces.
Okay na boogie.
Ay, sayang. Bogey ulit. So back to 2 over. 502 yards last hole. Okay, dog leg left. So shortcut is to go over these trees. Oh, mga starlet. Oh, bilis. Si Ate May. Okay. Ano hanap mo, Ate? Oh, ikaw ano hanap mong role? Lalaki. Lalaking magmamahal. O sige. Itago natin sa pangalan. Ikaw, pera. Perang may lalaki.
Oo.
Ito.
Pera lang sir.
Pera. Pang kain.
Di sir.
Kaya, mga masasaya namin. Babae. Babaeng may pera. Mga masasayang kasama na caddy. Okay, dog leg left. Kaso 2 over. Draw. Perfect. Ganda niyan, Doc. Perfect yan, brother. Gitnang gitna.
Yun, ang ganda. Diretso gitna. Ay, wag ka dyan.
Diretso gitna, huwag ka dyan. Ano ba talaga?
Bunker.
Oh, man. Okay, bunker. Wow! Tawid mo. Nice shot. Lakas na. Gitna ng center. Ay, kumanan pa. Okay, second shot. Layo pa. 300 yards to the flag. Throw over. Come on, Luigi. Okay, putting lang namin.
Ay, four, right! Four!
Dun sa kaliwa. Yung mga puno, sir.
Parang playable naman yung makikita.
Opo. Playable naman dun.
Ay, kaya sabi ko, ayoko sana mag-tribute. Okay lang, course management dapat. Good. Okay lang yun. Parang may silip naman siguro yun. Ganda! Good shot, AJ. Okay, taking my terrible second shot. Dapat the course management. 100. To the flag. So kung, ano ba, Bob? Mga 70. 50 to 70. Ay, maganda pa yan eh. Kick left. Ganda ng punch out na yun ah.
Open yun, sir.
Sayang dito
Ay, tumuloy yung pakaliwa. Punch draw kaso. Kinulang. Okay lang. Parehas kami nasa harap ni Doc. Basta mapar na lang. Ganda. Galing ng mga short game. Ganda. 15 yards. Left, right. Uphill. The yips is back. The yips.
Turn. Turn na.
Okay, we're in for par. Doc, thank you very much. Good round, partner. Oh, sa raffle na lang tayo. 8 over. Ay, 8 under.
Oh, 8 under.
Oh, sa handicapping. Hindi natin.
Handicapping.
True. We'll see, sayang. Okay. Doc Russell for birdie. Na-push? Ay, nakabig. Sorry. Na-push. Thank you very much, Doc. Thank you very much.
Kaya maganda yung ating score.
Oh.
Napakalaking bagay na maganda yung mga approach mo.
Ooh, sayang. Good par. Oh. Good round. Thank you very much, brother. Good game, good game, good game. Good game, partner. Doc. Ay, Doc din pala. Doc Russell yan. Thank you, ate.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shane, thank you. Salamat. Lalaki. Oh, sige.
Ay, wow.
Thank you. Timay, salamat. Ay, okay, pwede kayo sumabay sa amin? O, tara, sabay-sabay. Nice shot.